Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out more LiTime's 36V lithium iron phosphate golf cart batteries. And they got a really good discount going on right now I wanted to bring to your attention. So feel free to use the links in the comments of the description. Feel free to use my promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get over to this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. So the LiTime 36V battery for golf carts has a 2C rate, grade A cells built right in, and integrated 120 amp BMS, which is really nice. That max 2C rate discharging current is really good to have. That means you can basically output twice as much as the 60 amps. You can get 120 amp discharge out of a 60 amp hour battery. That's 4,608 watt output. LiTime's 36V golf cart batteries have massive energy of 2,304 watt hours. That runs 18 to 25 miles estimated when fully charged, allowing you to enjoy double runtime, making it a drop-in replacement for AGM batteries in club carts. Automotive grade A cells, longer lifespan. Plus, when you're upgrading, this is a superior battery style. You get that 2C rate out of these smaller batteries. Smaller, lighter, helping your golf cart be lighter and more maneuverable. Plus, you get 4,000 plus life cycles, so you're not gonna have to replace these batteries very often. Some of these batteries are gonna outlive the golf carts that they're running. And you got 100% BMS protection and 2C discharge. You're not going to get that out of lead acid batteries. This has a built-in 120 amp BMS, supports max 2C discharging and 1C charging. It can make your golf cart run with more power. Plus, it's 100% protection, prevents your battery from overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, overheating, and short circuits. And it's so lightweight, easy to replace your lead acid batteries. You're going to notice the power difference right away. Not only you get more power out of this battery, but also your golf cart's now lighter. Doubles your runtime and only weighs a quarter as much as a set of lead acid golf cart batteries, allowing you to cut 200 pounds or more off your golf cart. Think about that. Less weight means more maneuverability, faster speed, and less wear and tear on your golf cart. Perfect size makes it suitable for most golf carts. Relatively simple wiring requirements and operation makes it convenient to use. These golf cart batteries are really great and they're easy to upgrade your systems that you got right now. That lightweight factor is the selling point too, because you're gonna immediately notice such a big difference in the acceleration and different things like that on your golf cart. And right now is a really good time to pick it up with a discount. You can use my promo code AdventureTech to get additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or description. You can get right over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time. And you can subscribe to my channel 100% for free just by clicking the subscribe button. But make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.